Morning, people, welcome back to my channel. It's JB here, coming from the village, so dried up. I guess you can see how dried up the place is. We have not had rains for almost a month now. You can also see how the leaves are dusty because of lack of rainfalls. It has not rained for 1 month since Christmas. Is it 1 month really? Not really, not 1 month, but I guess it's almost 2.5 weeks now since it rained. So we are really looking forward to the rains. We are hoping for rains, more and more rains. It is so dusty, so sunny, just so hot here, very hot. I can imagine it's 10 o'clock here and the sun is already out. It's like it's noon. You can see that termite. That is what the termites have built. So massive, so big. It has been there for quite some time. I guess it's almost an year since I saw it there. The termites really love dry places where there is not much rainfall, so that they enjoy building in such places. And I guess there are so many here in my place. You can also see this. Is it a sisal plant? Yeah, I think so. This place is so dried up, but we are hoping the rains will come sooner, so that we can get water. Water is what we really need in our farm. Our cows really need water. So you can see the termite houses are so many here in my village. You can see another one here. I don't know if you can see it. That is a termite house or home. Yes, they're inside there. So guys, I'm currently going home just from town. I had been away for about a month, not a month, a week or so, but I'm now back in my village. I'm so glad. The fresh air and everything. I can see my sister coming to meet me here. Oh, so sunny. So let me go and meet her. I will inform you when I get home. So see you guys later in the day.